Mga ate at kuya, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. So sa video na ito ay gagawa tayo ng floor exercise. At gagawin natin into 2 sets. So 5 floor exercise sa 2 sets. So una-una, as usual, wag natin kakalimutan na bago tayo mag-proceed doon sa exercise proper ay gagawa muna tayo ng warm-up exercise at saka stretching exercise. So ang purpose nun is para hindi mabigla ang ating mga katawan at ang ating mga kasukasuan. So lahat ng warm-up natin at saka exercise natin ay magbibilang lang tayo ng from 1 to 10 or 10. So tara, simulan na natin.
Warm-up exercise. Heel to toe rocking. Partial squat. Butt kicks. Upper back stretch. Chest stretch. Posterior shoulder stretch. Other side. Tricep stretch. Hip flexor stretch. Single leg lowback stretch. Hamstring stretch. Prone abdominal stretch. Push up. Set up. Flutter kick. 1 to 10 count. Push up. Crunch jack. One minute planking. Abs roller. Up next, set 2. 1 to 8 counts. Flutter kick. Push up. Crunch jack. "30 seconds flanking. Be careful about balance.
Like
So that's it for today's video. The 2 sets of floor exercise composed of 5 exercises: the push-up, the flutter kick, the crunch jack, the planking, and the abs roller. So, gawin nyo lang siyang daily routine or every other day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or TTH. And for sure, within 1 week, magkakaroon kayo ng improvement. Makikita nyo yung pagkakaiba. So, gawin nyo lang siyang daily routine or every other day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, or TTHS, depende sa kung anong araw ang bakante kayo, as long as na magawa mo siya within 1 week. So, floor exercises. So, thank you for watching, and God bless all the time. Spread love.